Next, say when y is a linear function or y is a quadratic function or y is linear divided by linear, so then the function is always 1 to 1. So if you have these categories, y is a linear function, y is a quadratic, and y is linear by linear. So not quadratic, sorry. This one. So here I will write three categories of the functions. Okay. Y is linear, y is quadratic, and y is linear by linear. So y is only linear, then the function is always 1 to 1. Y is quadratic, then the function is many to 1. And y is linear by linear, then the function is 1 to 1. Means if you have a structure like this type, y equals to 3x plus 4. So or y equals to a quadratic x square minus x plus 1, and y equals to some x plus 1 divided by x plus 2. So if you have such formats, then the function will be always here 1 to 1, because this we know that this is 3x minus y equals to minus 4. 3x minus y equals to minus 4 is a straight line which x intercept is negative and y intercept is positive, means we will get a line like this type. So the linear lines in this direction means clearly it is increasing function. Or if you take a line in this direction, for suppose not this line, any line, so because linear function is always a straight line, if you take a line like this, it will be a decreasing function. Increasing function and decreasing functions are always 1 to 1. That means when you are finding linear, straight away you write it as this one. And quadratic. So quadratic means we know that quadratic is always a parabola, either open upward or open downward. So now this is increasing as well as decreasing. So in this case, it always what will get many to 1 function only. Next is x plus 1 by x plus 2. So this at board level we applied so many questions. We can apply f of x1 equals to f of x2. That if we apply, what will get x1 plus 1 by x1 plus 2 equals to x2 plus 1 by x2 plus 2. On simplifying this one, we know that always will get x1 is equals to x2. That means every time instead of solving, when we are using especially CET level questions, easy to solve. See, y equals to linear 1 to 1, y equals to quadratic many to 1. And so to check for 1 to 1 and many to 1 only. On to again we will find the range. So we know in detail how to find the range of every part. We just apply the range concept and compare with the codomain and then check. Note down these 3 points. Next, observe, say while finding the kinds of the function, we may have a function like this type, linear by quadratic, and y equals to quadratic by quadratic, and y equals to quadratic by linear. In all these cases, the function will be many to 1. So any one of the case. If numerator and denominator does not have any common factors, because if they are having common factors, that common factor will divide each other, then we will get the simplest form and it will become to the linear. So then again it will become 1 to 1 linear means. That's why if numerator and denominator doesn't have any common factors, then conformly we can say that it is many to 1 function always. F of x equals to 2x square minus x plus 5 divided by 7x square plus 2x plus 10, and function is defined from R to R. We need to check whether this function is 1 to 1 or not, that's it. To check this function as 1 to 1, so far the methods what we saw, applying them, we will just check. See, graph we don't know how to draw the graph of this one. Graph exists but difficult. Next, differentiation S we can do the derivative, but u by v we need to apply. Little steps will be involved while doing the derivative. So okay, not so simple. Next is what? See, quadratic by quadratic. So quadratic by quadratic means it is many to 1, that we will check. See, So whether it is really many to 1 or not, we will check quadratic by quadratic. Okay. So now the board method is this one. We can apply this one. That also little lengthy, but still that is f of x1 equals to f of x2. So by doing this method, if we are not getting x1 equals to x2, then we will conclude that it is many to 1 function. Now I want to give a method which is called trial and error method. In this method, how to decide the function, especially these quadratic by quadratic or quadratic by linear, linear by quadratic, we can apply this method. So that means consider f of x equals to f of 0. So f of 0 means the meaning we know that output of the function when x is equals to 0. So f of x means the original function what they are given, that is 2x square minus x plus 5 divided by 7x square plus 2x plus 10 is equals to f of 0 means this is 0, this is 0 and this is 0, this is 0. So what left there? 5 by 10. 5 by 10 means we know that 1 by 2. So cross multiply, what we will get? 4x square minus 2x plus 10 equals to 7x square plus 2x plus 10. So here simplifications, okay, correct. So 10 gets cancelled. So we will write all the terms one side. Then we will get 3x square minus 4x equals to 0. X common means we will get 3x minus 4 equals to 0. That means we are getting x equals to 0 and x equals to 4 by 3. So that means when we are taking f of x as f of 0, then the inputs what we are getting x equals to 0 and x equals to 4 by 3. That indicates when you substitute x equals to 0, we will get f of 0 value, and x equals to 4 by 3 also will get f of 0. Two inputs, one output, then we can declare that the function is many to 1. That's it. So that's why whenever if you have, instead of doing this also, straight away we can write if factors are not possible. First we need to check factors exist or not. If factors are not possible, we can choose this method and we can declare. So the point, if you remember, quadratic by quadratic, straight away you write it as many to 1. So I just want to show you why it happens, means it happens like this.